guys, I'm going to be making a video. I got this Killer Klowns for Outer Space Funko box for Christmas, and I was going to unwrap it and show you what's inside. So I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, let's just start off. It says the Killer Klowns from Outer Space 35. You have on the side, it has the bazooka ammo, which is the popcorn. On the other side, it just shows you how many pieces. 4 figures, 1 vinyl keychain, and 4 buttons. Then there is also a "Don't worry, Dave, we just want to kill you" sign right there. So nothing special on the back. But it is also a GameStop exclusive, if you guys were wondering. So let's crack this open. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright. Oh, shoot. So, when you open it up, there's just bubble wrap, which I'll put to the side. Alright, when we open this up, there is, hold up, side. There is a little keychain of like a laser gun. And if you guys don't know, I'm a very big horror person. There's also these pins, the buttons. Those are really cool. They're the black lights. And then, this is where we get to the figures. So, here we go. First, oh, this is pretty cool too. It's all black light. This is Shorty. They're all GameStop exclusive, so they're going to have that red little sticker. So, it's the black light Shorty. Here is what the regular ones look like on the back without the black light. And side, top. Honestly, this is a pretty cool figure. So there is Shorty, which I think is a pretty cool one. We'll just put him to the side right there. The next one is Slim. So this one's a really cool one. Blacklight, of course, again. He's blue, GameStop exclusive. Here's what they look like. He has like the blue, orange collar, green hair, and then all of them have like blacklight looking clothing. So that's pretty cool. That's Slim. Then, third and fourth, let me get it out. There is Spiky. This one's pretty cool because he has like a little, balloon animal right there, an orange one, looks like a dog or something, and he has the spiky hair. He's purple. He has like the stars for his suit. So, and then here's the others. And then, the fourth one out of this box, last figure, is Jumbo. This one's actually a really heavy one. So, there's Jumbo. He has his bag. He has his mallet, which I think is pretty cool. So he's a pretty heavy one. He's purple with like zigzags on his shirt. So there are all of figures in the boxes. That's everything in this box, in this set. So now I'm gonna show you out of the box. Alright, starting off with Shorty, we're going to do his box on the bottom, of course. is. Here is Shorty. He has his gloves, boxing gloves, purple hair. He's orange. He has like this little spike on the top. He has pretty cool star-looking shirts with the pink and purple shoes. So this one's pretty cool in general. Now the next one we will go to is Slim. The next one we have here is Slim. Let's take him out of the box. Here's Slim. He has some pretty cool looking hair on the top. He has green looking hair. He has like face paint on him. He's doing like a little pose with his hands. This one's pretty cool. He has the orange and yellow boots. This one's not that bad in the set. The next one we will be going to is Spiky. Alright, the next one is Spiky that we're gonna unbox. This one looks like a pretty cool one too, with his hair. Oh, this one's really cool. So this is Spiky. He has his, of course, spiky pink hair, hot pink hair. He has his balloon animal, orange. He has some pretty cool hot pink and green shoes. He has like two collars right there, yellow and blue. He's purple, and then he has like some cool face paint, and he has like stars around his eyes. So that is Spiky. The final one we'll be going to is Jumbo. Alright, the final one that we'll be showing you guys is Jumbo. So let's crack them open. Well, this is a big Funko Pop. Oh my god. So this is humongous. It's probably not hard to tell that it's probably hard to tell that he's pretty big, but he's like bigger than my hand. But this is Jumbo. He has his mallet behind his back. He has this little bag. He has his crazy hair. But this one's pretty big. So let me put him on a scale, and I want to see how heavy he is compared to like a regular Funko Pop. Alright, I have my scale right here, so we'll be comparing Jumbo to Willy Wonka. So let's check. Let's turn this on. Oh, let's see if this one. Alright. So it's on ounces right now. Let's change it to pounds. So we're gonna put we're gonna put Willy Wonka on first. So Willy Wonka is about 0.242 pounds, so keep that in mind. Then let's compare Jumbo. Oh my god. Jumbo is 0.372 pounds, so almost twice as much as Willy Wonka. You can tell the difference, and this one's a pretty big, like, regular Funko Pop because of his hat, but that's pretty cool, huh? About that. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Here's all the stuff we got, the button, the keychain, and then the 4 Funko Pops. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and put on notifications so you'll never miss one of my videos. And I hope you have a great day. Bye guys, see you in the next video.